Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Good morning, everybody. My name is Vishwadeep, and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science channel for unlimited learning. In this particular lecture, which is very special lecture, which I am going to conduct for you. In this one, I am going to talk about most expected questions from data structure. So I am going to cover this particular session in such a way that we have some questions. I have some questions for you. These are like some expected questions. Kind of these questions can be asked in the gate. We will talk about questions on array. We will talk about questions on the linked list, stack, queue, hashing, and in fact tree data structures also. I have not brought so many questions from tree data structure just because I wanted to have one more expected questions only from tree data structure so that you can have more and more practice about this particular series. Okay, so without any delay, let's start the session. Before we start, let me introduce myself for those members who don't know about me. My name is Vishwadeep Gothi. I work as a team leader in computer science department in the brands team in the Unacademy. I have written the GATE exam multiple times, 1919, 440, 682. There are few ranks I am having. This is my masters from ESE Bangalore, another masters from BITS Pilani. I am having a rich experience, as you can see, in teaching, and apart from that, these are the courses which I am dealing with on Unacademy's platform. If you are willing for learning, then we have lots of opportunity on Unacademy's platform. Just because you all know, everybody knows that Unacademy is right now India's largest platform for learning online. So if you want to learn more apart from our this YouTube channel, you can go to unacademy.com or you can download Unacademy's app and unlock the free plan. When you want to unlock the free plan, if you are suppose creating the account on Unacademy first time, then use this code VDEEP10 so that you can unlock all the free classes, free quizzes, free test series, combat, and multiple more things using this code for free on Unacademy's platform. If you want more content from my side, just go to my profile Vishwadeep, search my name there and follow my profile over there. This is the link given. It is given in the description also under the YouTube lecture. So go to this particular profile, follow my profile, and you will be getting some special classes. So those are not some, lots of special classes. These special classes you can attend live also, yes, whenever I take. Apart from that, these special classes you can listen in the recorded mode also. I am going to start data structure roadmap from Monday 3 p.m. Yes, Monday onwards I am going to start data structure ka roadmap, means in which I'll be providing you the questions to focus, the topics to focus, what are the important points, every short note, what to write in the short note, and all these things I'll be covering as a revision purpose. So 3 p.m. Monday onwards on Unacademy's platform, be there and we will learn a lot from there. If you want to have the test series, we have the free test series also for you. Enroll for it, enjoy the free test series, and enjoy the quality questions freely. Now the main important point of your being here is your learning, and the learning should be more and more effective. Then only you can use that particular learning for your problem solving. So many students now in this particular end season ask me, sir, how we can improve the marks in the GATE test. Whatever the test series we are writing, we are not getting good marks. We are getting very less marks, 40, 30, 40, 50, sometimes only 35, sometimes 60. How we can improve? There are multiple things through which you can improve those, and the best thing you can improve your marks is to have your proper learning, improved learning, the perfect structured way learning, and that we provide on Unacademy's platform. So if you want to have your learning to be perfect, your learning to be more and more productive and effective, go for Unacademy Plus subscription. What is this subscription? This is our paid service in which we provide you live classes those you can learn or you can listen in the recorded mode also if you miss any class multiple times, as many as times you want. So many doubt solving, so that anytime anything you are learning you can understand it with the perfection, just because of course you will be having so many doubts while learning, and those doubts can be solved quickly, immediately. Apart from that, you will be having weekly tests so that you can understand how to implement the learning in the problem solving, so that your problem solving will improve, and lots of other facilities in Unacademy Plus. This Unacademy Plus subscription comes with 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12, 18 and 24 month subscription. These are the prices written here, but these prices are written here after the discount. And how you can get the discount? If you use the code VDEEP10. This particular code is not just a code, it's a connection which you want with me and my team. There is a team of 8 members, 8 educators who are few of the top educators of the country, who are going to teach you for entire GATE syllabus. So if you want my team support, if you want to connect your preparation with my team, use this code VDEEP10 so that you can get my mentorship discount, of course, and you can get the team's support, team's connection. VDEEP10 is the code. Remember this code, if you use, you get multiple benefits. If you are the person who is not good in preparing the strategies and planning, then you should go for Iconic subscription. This particular Iconic subscription has all the facility of Unacademy Plus extra facility of having a personal coach. This personal coach will prepare the preparation strategy for you so that you can have the time to time guidance. Plus the personal coach will prepare the study planner for you so that the person can track your performance and can give you customized study plan. Then you will be getting study booster sessions, personalized test analysis so that you can improve in your test marks from the starting only. You will be definitely getting extra practice sets and notes too, and all these come under a subscription called as Iconic subscription. So if you have a desire of having an iconic rank or iconic college, go for Iconic subscription. This Iconic subscription also comes with discount if you use the code VDEEP10, and other benefits also you can get. Remember, if you want to connect your preparation to my team, use this code and connect your preparation directly to my team's effort so that team can help you out in your entire preparation duration. Fine, these are the batches which are currently going on Unacademy Plus from the top educators of the place, of the platform and of the country. You can see these are the batches taking on. And one more thing, computer organization architecture, which is having almost 10 to 12 mark weightage in GATE, I have started just yesterday only. 2 classes are only done. If you want, you can join Unacademy for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, and then you can take this particular course live to have your 10 to 12 marks secured in the GATE 21 2. Remember, yesterday only I started, so you can of course enjoy learning in live mode. Fine, chaliye, ab aapki bari. Now this is the time. These questions I have brought for your practice. I will definitely give you the solution, approach and everything, but you should sit along with me with your pen paper so that whenever I will present a question in front of you, you will immediately try the question and you will immediately give me the answer before even I solve it. So you need to have a practice. Of course, for that only I have here these questions, expected questions. Let's solve these questions together. For that I need, you should be ready. You should be ready. Yes or no? Yes or no? If you are ready, type down in the comment box you are ready and we will start the session now. Tell me you are ready. Are you ready, my friend? क्या आप तैयार हैं? चलिए. Yes, good. Yes, good. Super. आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये लीजिए पहला प्रश्न. ये रहा आपकी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर 1 मार्क के लिए. Consider an algorithm which takes n number of inputs and performs an operation on it, ठीक है, which requires n number of n minus 1 operations total. So whatever the operation we need to perform by the algorithm, that particular operation takes n minus 1 total operations or steps. The best possible runtime complexity for algorithm can be represented as. So if n minus 1 operations, then we can say we should have a complexity in terms of theta of n. You all know, we all know that yes, exactly n minus 1 operations means theta of n. If theta of n, then we can write it as big O of n also. So big O of n, theta of n, both will be fine. More appropriate is this, but this is also correct. More appropriate is B, but this is also correct. Big O of n means maximum n, it can be less than that. n से कम भी हो सकता है, इसका मतलब होता है big O of n. बट यहां पे n minus 1 ऑपरेशन फिक्स बता रखे हैं, इसलिए हम जाएंगे B की तरफ, थीटा ऑफ n, मोर एप्रोप्रिएट. बट अगर यही क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जाए कि आप सारे पॉसिबल ऑप्शंस बताओ, तो B और A दोनों बता सकते हैं. सो वी शुड गो विथ D ऑप्शन. यस, चलिए, फाइन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, अनदर क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Here it is. You should also give me the answer, re baba. The memory minimum number of comparisons required to find the minimum and the maximum of 500 numbers is. अगर आपको मेरे लेक्चर्स याद है, मैंने इसके लिए एक छोटी सी मेथड बताई है. To find minimum and maximum number of comparisons is equal to 3 by 2 of n minus 2. And what is n here? Number of elements. Number of elements. So it is 1.5 of n, which is 750 minus 2. Answer is what? 748. This type of question they have asked in 2014 GATE exam, where they have given 100 numbers here. Minimum number of comparisons required to find minimum and maximum both of 100 numbers. Answer was 148. This particular type of question can be asked once again too. Another question. Consider an array of n elements. Find total comparisons required to calculate second minimum element if n is equal to 64. I should write here minimum comparison instead of total. Minimum number of comparisons required to find out second minimum of this particular array of 64 elements is what? This also we discussed in the class. ये भी हमने क्लास में डिस्कस किया है, याद है? अरे कहाँ याद रहेगा तुमको अपने बर्थडे और अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के बर्थडे के अलावा कुछ याद रहता है? हाँ, बहुत कुछ. गार्बेज तो इतना है दिमाग में, पूछो मत. मेरे भी रहता है, तुम्हारे भी रहेगा, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट प्रोडक्टिव चीजें भी स्टोर करिए. ओके ओके फाइन. चलो 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 बढ़ते हैं. व्हाट इज द आंसर? नंबर ऑफ कंपैरिजंस, मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कंपैरिजंस टू फाइंड आउट सेकंड मिनिमम इज दिस मच, n प्लस log of n minus 2. n minus 1 for finding minimum, log n minus 1 for finding second minimum. Answer is n plus log n minus 2. So value of n is 64 plus log of 64 base 2 minus 2. How much it is? 64 plus 6 minus 2. Answer is 68. That is the answer. Now you need to revisit all the lectures once more so that you can understand. If you want to have the revision from my end, I am going to bring a special free class series from Monday onwards, 3 p.m. on Unacademy's platform. Go, if you haven't created the account over there, create an account on Unacademy, which is absolutely free. Unlock your free plan using this code VDEEP10. And then we will have a revision session starting from Monday. Yes, Monday onwards we are going to have 3 p.m. data structure 2 hours revision program. Absolutely free. Next question. Question number 3. Consider an array A of minus 6 to 15. Okay. Which is stored in the memory starting from address location 1000. Fine. So base address given is 1000. Assume that each element in the memory is stored on 4 locations. So W I used to denote it as by 4 locations. then the location of element A of 2 is what? Using this, can you tell me what is the starting index of array, which we call as lower bound? What is the starting index? पहला इंडेक्स कौन सा है? -6. सेकेंड लास्ट इंडेक्स अपर बाउंड इज व्हाट? 15. फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे किस चीज का? लोकेशन के लिए. इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट लोकेशन ऑफ ए ऑफ आई, इंडेक्स आई, देन इट विल बी बेस प्लस w into I minus lower bound. Use this formula, put these values, get the answer. We need to calculate location of A of 2. Location of A of 2 is equal to what? Base 1000 plus W, ये रहा 4, into I, index I given as 2, minus lower bound -6. 6, 2 minus minus plus 6, 2 plus 6, 8 into 4, 32. Answer is 1032. Verify this if this is correct or not. Good Sonu, good Patabi, nice, amazing, superb, superb, good people, good, nice. Another question. Should we go next? Should we go for next? आगे बढ़े. E ले नया क्वेश्चन. This is of 2D array now. So 2D array says -3 to 7, 6 to 12. Fine. So let's try to understand for rows what are the lower bound and upper bound from here. So for rows, lower bound of I is equal to -3 and upper bound of row is equal to 7. For the columns, what is the lower bound and upper bound? बताओ भाई. What is the lower bound for column J is equal to 6 and upper bound for columns denoted by subscript J is 12. Can you calculate if you have an array of size m cross n? M is number of rows, n is number of columns. Can you calculate values of m and n? mn की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो बिल्कुल. From this you can calculate m, from this you can calculate n. How? m is equal to upper bound minus lower bound plus 1 of I, which is for rows. Upper bound 7, lower bound -3 plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 11. And n का वैल्यू upper bound minus lower bound plus 1, how much it is? 7. Can you verify? Is that fine? So m we have calculated is 11, n we have calculated is 7. Fine. Now question is starting address of array in the memory is 1000. Okay. Base address given is 1000. Each element occupies 4 memory locations. Find W is equal to 4. What is the address of element 0, 9? Okay. For row measure and column measure order. Let's go for row measure order first. Row measure order. What is the formula? Formula for location of A of I, J is equal to what? Base plus W into what? I minus lower bound of I into number of columns n plus j minus lower bound of j. That is the formula. How this particular formula has arrived, ये हमने क्लासरूम में डिस्कस किया है. Under this channel, go to the playlist section. In the playlist section, check out the array part, data structure playlist. In the data structure playlist, I have discussed the array. Over there, you can get it easily. चलो आगे बढ़े. चलो फॉर्मूला में वैल्यू रख दो. फॉर्मूला में बेस 1000 plus W 4 into I, which is what? I am checking off 0 comma 9, so 0 minus lower bound is minus 3 into n, which is 7, plus j, which is 9, minus LB of j, which is 6. Value calculate कर लो. 3 into 7, 21, plus 324 into 4, 96,096. Somebody has even calculated that. Pata bhi really good. Amazing. All the other members also try. Otherwise, you will not get it how to solve it in the exam. प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है बॉस. आपको बहुत बार ऐसा लगेगा कि यार ये क्वेश्चन बन सकता था, बट मुझे 5 मिनट लगे, और एग्जाम में 5 मिनट लगाना किसी एक क्वेश्चन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा होता है. अगर आप वही क्वेश्चन 1 मिनट में या हाफ मिनट में सॉल्व कर लेंगे, बहुत बढ़िया होगा. हेलो एवरीबॉडी, हेलो. I am loving the series of COA. Thank you so much, Romit. One thing, if you can do, please go to the playlist. On the very first lecture, drop a comment over there, so that all those members who will go through that particular lecture series for the very first time, they will know that they should take a decision to watch this series or not. Taking a decision to watch a series is very difficult initially, just because students don't want to waste their time, so it can save a lot of time from other members. Thank you so much. Let's solve the other part of this question. अभी तो दूसरा पार्ट बचा है, which is column measure order. So column measure order, what is the formula of location? A of ij is equal to base plus w into, first of all, column wise, so j minus lower bound of j into number of rows m plus I minus lower bound of I. That is the formula. Calculate, put the values, calculate the answer. Base is 1000 plus w, each element occupies 4 locations, plus into j is 9 minus lower bound, which is 6, into number of rows, which is 11, plus I, which is 0 minus 3. Let's calculate that. 3 into 11, 33, plus 3, 36, into 4, 36 into 4, 36 into 4 कितना होता है रे? 144. So it will be 1144. Good Sonu, good Patabi, nice, amazing, super. Hello everybody, hello. So this particular question done. All these formulas I have given in my entire lecture series, which is of data structure. You can watch that too. You will definitely learn a lot how to solve the questions in the small tricks, using the tricks. Another question. Here is another question. Consider the following function on a valid null terminated list. Of course, it should be a singly list. So we are calling a function with pointer start, initially a pointer p, initialized with start, and we are checking while p ka link is true, keep going with p equals to p ka link, p equals to p ka link, and all. At the end, return 1. Now the thing is, if you take a particular singly linked list, let's check out the option. 1 always, none always, will cause an error always, error, or returns 1. So the thing is, we need to check out, can we have an error? For that, let's take empty list initially. If you have taken empty list, start will be equal to null. In that case, p is equal to null. In that case, here the statement will be null arrow link. Null arrow link will give you an error called as null pointer dereference. With null pointer, you cannot access any other thing. So in this case, when the start pointer, your list pointer is pointing to null, you will have an error. But will always be an error? No, there will not be any error always if you have some kind of list. If you have some kind of list, let's say this one, 2 node, 1 node, whatever, then P will start from here. Its link is true, yes, P equals to P ka link, its link is false, come out and return once. P pointer will stop to the last node of the list and it will return 1. So the function may return you 1 or may give you null pointer dereference. Yes, D option is correct. So you need to think of all the possibilities along with the checking of the options. You don't just be stick towards the question or the program only, just check out that what are the options given. Means these options can be possible answers for this program. We will try to make out क्या हमेशा 1 आएगा, 1 किस केस में आ सकता है. You can easily scan the program and can understand that. Hope you guys are understanding. आगे बढ़े. ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस, बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं है बट बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हूं. मजा आएगा आप लोग को सॉल्व करके. मेरे साथ में सॉल्व करेंगे तो और अच्छा लगेगा. अनदर क्वेश्चन. ओहो, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन तो कभी नहीं बने सर. 2 पॉइंटर्स P एंड Q. P इक्वल्स टू स्टार्ट का लिंक. स्टार्ट इट्स लिंक हियर. P पॉइंटिंग टू सेकेंड नोड. सेकेंड वन, Q is equal to P link link link. P का link link link. P's link link and link. Q is this. Then P का link. P का link here. This one. I'll have to update this pointer. By what? Q का link का link. Q का link का link. What is in the link? Null. So here null pointer will come. Q का link is equal to P. Q का link, this one updated by P. And at the end start, okay, link, okay, link, null and something. Null something means what? Can you print? Oh no, you can't. You can't. So what this particular program will give you? An error. Null pointer dereference. Yes, error. Null pointer dereference. I hope you understood. Okay, let me explain once again. So many students are still confused. Sir, ये क्या हो गया? हमको पता भी नहीं चला. दुनिया उजड़ गई. It's okay. इतना भी जल्दी नहीं समझाया जितना इंडिया इतनी जल्दी ऑल आउट होगी. Okay, now come back here. P equals to start का link. Start its link P here. Next, in the queue, P 1 link, 2 link, 3 link. P its link and link. Q will be initialized here. Next, Q का link. Q link and its link part. This null I'll have to copy. Where? In the P का link. In the P का link here I'll have to copy null. Means next pointer is gone. Next of this node is null. Now P is equal to, okay, in this pointer I'll have to copy P. Address of this node. Where? Q का link. Q का link. I'll have to update it by P. Now print. Start this node, link this node, link इसका null and link nothing. So here null pointer dereference will be there. Null arrow something, null pointer dereferencing. Error. Got it? Understood? Should we go next? Here it is. ओहो, एक ही क्वेश्चन वापस से आया? नहीं, थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. थोड़ा तो डिफरेंट है. It's little bit different than the previous one. Let's solve this one now. Now let's solve this one together. 2 pointers P and Q. P equals to start link. Second, start link and link. P is here. 3 times. Start, link and link, third node. Q is equal to P ka link link. P ka link means this node. Next, P ka link, this one updated by Q ka link means address of this node. So C is next is this. Now Q ka link is equal to start. Q ka link is equal to start. This one. Now print start this node, link this node, link this node, link this node, link again here, and data. What should it print? Value A. 4 times link, start 1, 2, 3, 4 times link and data. Answer is A. It will print the data of the start only. Good, nice. अब आप बोलोगे सर इतना करने की क्या जरूरत थी, डायरेक्टली प्रिंट कर देते स्टार्ट का डेटा, है ना, घुमा फिरा के प्रिंट तो ए ही करना था, तो इतना क्यों घुमाया, ताकि आप सीख सके कि ये अपडेशन कैसे हो रहा है, राइट. अनदर क्वेश्चन, कंसीडर अ सिंगली लिंक लिस्ट ऑफ n एलिमेंट्स, फाइंड द रन टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी टू इंसर्ट अ न्यू नोड आफ्टर द फर्स्ट नोड इन द लिस्ट इज. Means on the second position you need to insert a new node. Of course you have the number of nodes minimum 2. n greater than 1 means minimum 2 elements you have in the list. So let's draw the list. ऐसे questions में example लेना बहुत आसान होता है. This is the list, minimum number of elements 2. This is the list. Suppose element are A and B. You need to insert another node after the first node, means at the second position here. What should you do? What should you do? What should you do? First of all, this particular node will have the item, suppose X. Its link part should be updated by this node, current second node, and first node's link part should be updated by this new node. So what should be the statement I should write? The statement I should write is new nodes link part should be updated by this node, which is list ka link, second node's address, and this list ka link I'll have to update by what? New node, so that new node can be pointed as the second node. How much time for only 2 statement? Constant time. If you will be having 1000 elements also further, only constant time is required to do this operation. Answer is A. Got it? Understood that? I hope that was very simple. Chaliye, another question. Here it is. Stack. We have moved to the stack. Which of the following permutations can be obtained in the output, in the same order of course, using a stack, assuming that the input sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need to insert these values on the stack. First of all 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. But whenever you want, you can pop the value. In what sequence you will pop the value, that is your stack permutation. In whatever the sequence you are popping out the value from the stack, that is your permutation. क्या है permutation? Stack से किस sequence में बाहर आ रही है value, इनमें से क्या valid sequence है for the stack permutation. बड़ा ही simple सा प्रश्न है और बहुत ही simple सा explanation. Let's talk about option A. 1, 2, 4, 5 and 3. Is it possible or not? Let's talk. So I want first value 1. How can I pop first value 1? First of all, insert 1 and pop it. Once you pop it, 1 you will get, fine. Then you need second value second. So insert 2 and then pop. Then you need next value 4. So up to 4 you need to insert remaining values 3 and 4. Now you can pop 4, printed. Next value you want 5, so first you insert 5, then pop it. Then next you can pop 3, yes. So this is fine. A option looks correct. But अभी रुकना नहीं है, MSQ type question हो सकता है. MSQ type question is possible. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 3 is of course possible, which just now we said, we have seen. Let's see option B. 4, 5, 3, 1, 2. 4, 5, 3, 1 and 2. First of all, I need value 4. Means in the stack up to 4 you need to insert. Up to 4 means first of all 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. Pop 4 so that you can print. Now you want 5. Okay, insert 5 and pop 5. Next value 3. Yes, I can delete. Next value 2. Can I get 1 here? No. Next value I can pop is 2 only. They have given 1. Means B option is wrong, boss. I cannot obtain 1, 2. After 3 I can obtain only 2, 1. Good, good, good. So many people have given the answer also. That's amazing. Let's verify if your answer is correct or not. Option C. Quickly we will see option C. Option C देखेंगे जल्दी से what it says. 3, 5, 4, 2 and 1. Can we obtain that? First of all we need 3. Okay, fine. Let's see if we can get 3. So 1, 2 and 3 inserted. 3 popped, popped. Yes, matching. Now you want 5. How can you get 5? First of all, up to 5 you insert. So 4 insert कराया, 5 insert कराया. Now pop 5. Done. Next you want 4. Yes, I can pop it 4. Next you want 2. Yes, I can pop 2. And next you want 1. I can pop 1. This C option looks correct. Let's check it out. The last option D. Is it valid? आपको वैलिड लग रहा है क्या? 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. So many have given the answer also. चलिए देखते हैं. First of all, I want 1. So push 1, pop 1. Then I need 2. Push 2, pop 2. Then I need 5. Okay. So 3, 4 and 5 inserted. 5 popped. Yes. Then you need 3, but no, I can pop only 4, but you need 3, not possible. After 5 you can have 4, 3 only, but they wanted 3, 4. Wrong, 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 galat, 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 galat. So A and C are the valid ones. Good. Oh, क्या बात है. Nice, 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 nice. Akhil, RJ Khan, Prem and Anubhav and Rishikesh and so many members given the correct answer. Superb, superb, superb. This is another question. Convert the following infix notation into prefix and postfix. दोनों में convert करना है. डर तो नहीं लग रहा है? डर के आगे जीत है और तुम्हारे आगे विश्वदीप है. चलो दोनों को हराएंगे, डर को भी हराएंगे, सब्जेक्ट को भी हराएंगे. देखिए, so if you want to convert any infix notation into prefix or postfix, first of all you need to consider the highest precedence operator. So highest precedence operator here is the parenthesis. We will start from the leftmost one. We will start with this A plus B. So convert this A plus B into prefix. How do you write A plus B into prefix? Plus AB. This I have solved, so I have written it underlined into C minus D. You can type down your final answer, okay? I will verify. If you get the answer, you type down your answer. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can. Okay, next step, you are going to solve this particular parenthesis. Let's solve this parenthesis now. So, in the parenthesis, you have C minus D. C minus D in the prefix, how do you write? Minus CD. What is the prefix? First operator, then operands. Done. Divide by F minus X into Y divided by Z. Next step. Now you have this multiplication, this division, this multiplication, this division. You are going to solve the multiplication and division with equal precedence, but just because the multiplication is the left associative, multiplication division both having left association. That's why we will start with the leftmost one, this one, multiplication. Let's start with this. So left operand this, right operand this, multiplication first, then left operand plus AB, right operand minus CD. Divide by F minus X into Y, divide by Z. Next step, this entire operand divide by F. Why? Just because again the same thing, multiplication division having the left associativity. That is why. Let's go with the next step. Next step will be this division will be solved. For this division, left operand is this, right operand F. First of all division, then left operand as it is, right operand. This is one operand now, minus X into Y divided by Z. Next step, operand minus, what should I solve first? Minus multiplication or division? This multiplication. Why? Multiplication having more precedence than this. Yes, and having more associativity than division also. Why? Left associative. So X into Y you need to solve next. How do you write? Divide star plus AB minus CDF minus multiplication XY. Divide by Z. Now let's solve this division by Z. Let's solve this division by Z. So division by Z will be solved next. How it will be? This as it is, minus division first, then left operand star XY, right operand Z. At the end you can perform this subtraction, means your final result will be first of all subtraction, then divide star plus AB minus CDF minus divide star X, Y and Z. ओ माइनस नहीं आएगा, गलती से लिख दिया मैं. This will be your final answer. There will not be any minus here. This is the final answer. Okay, let me keep it close. थोड़ा नजदीक लेके आते हैं. Divide star Y, X, Y and Z. This is your final answer. If you also solved along with me or even before me, you can verify if the same answer did you get it. Now I am going to go for postfix. अब आप बोलोगे सर कि postfix की तो जगह ही नहीं बची. See, postfix also will follow the same sequence of operands. If you want, I can solve entire. If you want, I can solve only half. Okay, let me solve it completely, just because so many members will have otherwise lots of problems. Sir, यहाँ पे ये plus क्यों आया, यहाँ star क्यों आया, and in that I will lose my plot of solving the question. Divide F minus X into Y divided by Z. Let's quickly one step by one step. First of all, leftmost of this parenthesis, postfix this into C minus D divide by F minus X into Y divided by Z. Second step, this parenthesis AB plus star CD minus divide by F minus X into Y divided by Z. Next is this multiplication. Let's do that. AB plus left operand, right operand CD minus, and then star. This is प्लस प्लस आएगा यहाँ पे, प्लस AB plus CD minus and then this star divide by F minus X into Y divided by Z. Now next operator is this division. Let's do that. AB plus CD minus star operand F and then division complete minus X into y, divide by z. Next is x into y. Okay, let me write as it is, AB plus CD minus star f division as it is, minus as it is. First of all, x into y, xy star in the postfix, divide by z separate. Now this division, next sequence, AB plus as it is, CD minus as it is, star f division, this is as it is, minus this divide by z. How do you write? xy star z divide. Now ultimately this minus at the end. So my final answer will be AB plus CD minus star f division, left operand as it is, right operand xy star z divide, and this minus at the end. Please verify if you are fine with this particular method or not. I am just solving some questions along with you so that you can have a practice. You can have the method refreshed in your mind and you can understand that how these questions will be solved. If you guys are fine, let me know so that we can go next question. चलिए, ई रहा अगला प्रश्न. Another one, into prefix and postfix. So here plus multiplication minus exponent and exponent. We have exponent, means exponent have the highest precedence. There is no any parenthesis. Exponent have highest precedence, yes, but right associate. So if we will solve, which operator we will solve first? E exponent f. Why? Just because exponent is right associative. So first of all, E exponent in prefix. How do you write? Exponent EF. Remaining operator as it is, or remaining expression as it is. A plus B star C minus D and exponent this. Now another exponent which is to be solved next. Why? Just because among plus, star, minus and exponent has highest precedence. Okay, fine, let's do that. So A plus B star C and minus this D exponent this. How do you write? First of all, operator, left operand D and right operand as it is. This is complete operand now. Next step, after this, what you will solve next? B into C, just because plus and minus having lesser precedence than multiplication. So multiplication first. How do you write? A plus as it is, multiplication, left operand, right operand. Then minus, remaining as it is. And then next, plus or minus, both are having same precedence. We should go with the associativity, left one. Plus and minus, addition, subtraction having left associativity, so you should go with the left one, plus. So what should we do here? We should write first of all plus and then left operand A, then right operand star B and C, minus exponent D exponent EF. Ultimately the final answer should be what? This operator will go first. First of all operator, then left operand, then right operand. This is your final answer. Let's go with the postfix notation now quickly. That's good if you are getting the practice. You also solve along with me. In fact, before me also you can solve. First of all, again the same, this one you will have to solve. Why? Exponent having the highest precedence and it should be solved from right to left, right associative. So right exponent you need to solve E exponent F. How do you write in postfix? EF exponent. So I am writing remaining expression as it is, A plus B into C minus D exponent. E exponent F should be written EF and then post operator exponent. Next one is this exponent. How do you solve this? First of all D, then right operand, then exponent. So A plus B into C minus as it is, left operand, right operand, and then operator. Now, next step is this multiplication. Let's solve the multiplication. It becomes a plus bc multiplication minus def exponent exponent. Next step. Plus, this plus will be solved. Why? Left associative. A, B, C star and plus. Left operand, right operand, then plus. Minus def exponent exponent. At the end, this minus. So how do you write in postfix? First of all, left operand as it is. Then right operand def exponent exponent and then minus. This is your final answer. Good, good, good. Just check out if you are also getting the same answer. You are also getting the same answer or not. Just check out. Okay. Chalo. Next, let's start the next question. Convert the following notation into infix. First of all, we need to verify that this is a postfix expression or prefix. In the prefix expression, the very first symbol should be an operator. ये देखो, prefix में the very first symbol should be operator, operand should be in the end. And postfix में operators will be in the end, operands will be starting. Means this is a prefix given. So I have understood this is a prefix notation or postfix. Prefix, na? Is this a prefix or postfix? This is a postfix expression given. This is a postfix expression given. Good. Nice. Now, how do you convert a postfix notation into infix? Very beautiful method we have. Scan from left to right. Operand, 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 operator. This operator I need to solve. First, if I want to solve this operator, postfix, ध्यान रखो क्या बोलता है postfix? Left operand, right operand and operator. Left operand, right operand and operator. That's how you represent postfix. So this sub expression I will have to solve first. CD minus. Let's solve this first. So if I want to solve this first, how do I write it in infix? I will write it like this. A, B and यहाँ पे bracket में लिख दिया C minus D into plus E divide. Why I have written into bracket? Might possible this bracket was there and because of that only I have solved minus first. This minus, ये minus पहले solve हो गया क्योंकि bracket था, otherwise नहीं हो पाता. क्यों? Multiplication और division बड़े बड़े खिलाड़ी हैं, ज़्यादा precedence है. Next, let's go next. What it says? Operand, complete operand, operator. So this operator you need to solve. If you are solving this operator, which means you need to have B and this as the operand. So I will write it in this way. A, B into C minus D, one more bracket outside, plus E division. Now, can I remove this inner parenthesis? I can remove this inner parenthesis only when if I'll remove the parenthesis, then to C minus D will be solved. अगर मैंने parenthesis हटाया तो भी क्या C minus D पहले solve करोगे? नहीं, फिर आप B into C solve कर लोगे. क्यों? क्योंकि multiplication का precedence ज्यादा होता है. तो क्या हम ये इनर पैरेंथेसिस हटा पाएंगे? नहीं. कीप इट लाइक दैट वे. नहीं हटा पाएंगे. कीप इट लाइक दैट वे. फाइन. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. ऑपरेंड, ऑपरेटर. दिस ऑपरेटर वी नीड टू प्लेस इन बिटवीन दीज टू ऑपरेंड्स. सो द ऑपरेंड्स आर लाइक दिस. A प्लस B into C minus D E divide. Now the question is, this is another bracket here. Why? We have solved just now. The question is, can I remove this parenthesis? Will I solve this b into c minus d first before solving this plus? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So I can remove this parenthesis. Means I will be having my removed parenthesis expression is a plus b into in the bracket c minus d e divide. Still I will solve c minus d first. Yes, after that b into and then after that a plus. Now the last step. Operand, operand, operator. This operator will be placed in between these two operands. So how do I write this? I will write it like this way. A plus b into c minus d divided by e. Can I remove this parenthesis now? No. अगर ये parenthesis हटा दिया, then this plus you will not solve first. This plus you will not solve first. This division you will solve, which is wrong. Wrong. I should solve this plus. That means I will have to keep the parenthesis here. This is my final answer. This is my final answer for the given postfix expression. Chalo. Next one. Another notation given, which is prefix or postfix, you need to decide. And then you let me know that which one is the correct one. So first of all, let me know is it's a postfix or prefix. Postfix or prefix. Thank you so much, Mitraj Chawda. Thank you so much for that. If you are enjoying the lectures, please do one thing. Whichever the lecture series you are watching, like data structure or COA or whichever, go to the first lecture and drop a comment over there that you have watched these many lectures and you are liking these sections, so that students, whoever will start that lecture series, they will definitely decide based on those comments that okay, we should watch that lecture or not. Convert this notation into infix. First of all, this notation is postfix or prefix. It's a postfix one. Convert this same method as it is. How do I go with this? Left to right scanning. Operand, 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 operator. This operator you need to solve first. Yes. How can I solve this? Left operand, right operand, operator. How can I write in infix? It should be b into c in the bracket. Now next left to right scanning. A operand, 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 operator divide. So this division will come in between b and c, divide by d. So I should write it like this way: a b into c divided by d plus e minus. Can I get this PPT? Of course you will get this annotated PPT. After the class, I will drop this PPT on our Telegram group. If you all are not aware about the Telegram group, here it is the channel, official channel, Unacademy Gate CS. This is the channel over there. We will drop the PDF. You can go to there and you can watch these or get these PDFs. वापस आते हैं. Good afternoon everybody. Whoever is joining and enjoying the lecture, please like the session. Okay, next step. Can I remove this inner parenthesis? Can I remove this inner parenthesis? Yes, I can remove inner parenthesis. Why? Just because अगर remove कर भी दिया, then too you will solve this b into c. After that only you will solve this divide by d. Why? Multiplication, division, same precedence. Hence the left associative left one will be solved. So I can remove the parenthesis. I can write it like this way. Oh, b क्यों लिखा भाई? A लिखेंगे. A and then b into c divided by d after removing the parenthesis plus e minus. Next step. This operator. This operator will come in between these two. So A plus B into C divided by D. And of course I can remove this parenthesis too. Why? Just because this multiplication and division you will solve before this plus, of course. Final step, operand and operator. This minus you will have to put in between these two. A plus B into C divided by D minus E. Can I remove this parenthesis? I can do that. Kaise? How can I do that? Why can I do that? This minus you will solve after this plus. Yes. After solving all, yes. All these are anyway having higher precedence. Plus also will be solved first because of the left associativity. Then we can solve it like that way. A plus B इंटू सी डिवाइड बाई डी माइनस ई. यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी सीख मिलेगी तुमको, वो याद रखिएगा. इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट वेल एंड गुड, इफ नॉट देन रिमेंबर दैट इन द prefix and postfix notation you will never have any parenthesis, but you may have parenthesis in the infix notation. Like this, you had some parenthesis in infix notation, but you will never get parenthesis in the postfix or prefix notation. Remember that. Okay, chal. Another question. This question says evaluate following expression using stack. You need to evaluate this expression using stack evaluation, right? So let's do that. Let's do that. How to evaluate? First of all, you need to draw a stack, if you remember that. If you remember the method, what is the method? Can you recall the method quickly? If any operand, push it onto the stack. Any operator, pop two values. You need to perform second value, operator first value, and push the result onto the stack. Remember that method? Yes, the same thing we're gonna do here. First is 4, push it onto the stack. Oh. Push it onto the stack. Then 3, push it onto the stack. Then multiplication, 4 into 3. 12. So pop 3, pop 4, 4 into 3, 12, push 12 onto the stack. Next one, 2, push it onto the stack. Then division. For division, what you need to do? Pop two values, 2 and 12, second value to first top value, 12 divided by 2, 6. Push it onto the stack. Then division gone, then 1, then 8, then 9, push it onto the stack, operand, then exponent. So 8 to the power 9, pop this, you need to perform 8 to the power 9. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी वैल्यू नहीं हो गई, ठीक है, whatever it is, I am just writing the value 8 to the power 9 something. After that, another exponent, 1 to the power this 8 to the power 9, 1 to the power 8 to the power 9, whatever 8 power 9 is, 1 to the power something is 1. So we can get after this one and this one 1. Next is plus 1 plus 6, 7, push it onto the stack. Then 2, push it onto the stack. Then minus 7 minus 2, 5, gone, 5 is pushed onto the stack. Then 3, push it onto the stack, plus 5 plus 3, 8. This is your final answer. क्या बात है. Oh, nice. So many members given the correct answer too. So here it was a small trick in this question. 8 to the power 9, students will be stuck here, sir. 8 to the power 9 तो बहुत बड़ा है, but 1 to the power, that answer will become 1. See, this particular question was having all the values with single digit. if they will be giving you double digit numbers, then they will separate each and every term by comma or something, space or comma or something. They'll be liking like this, they'll be writing like this, so that you can understand that if you are having double digit numbers also, those double digit numbers you can easily distinguish that the number is number, or the number is exponent, or what, or the number is single digit, double digit, or what. Easily you can. Another question, from right to left you need to solve. This is a prefix notation. Now it's a prefix notation. How to solve prefix notation? Scanning right to left, operate, push it onto the stack, operator, top to the next to top value, first value, second value of top, perform the operation of the operator and push the result onto the stack again. Chalo. Do it. You also do it. I will also do it. Anyway, मुझे तो करना ही है, आपको भी करना पड़ेगा. Until you do, you can't learn. Simple. 2. Push it onto the stack. Then 3. Push it onto the stack. Then 6. Operand. Push it onto the stack. Then multiplication. 6 into 3. 18. So pop 6. Pop 3. Push value. Answer 18. Then division. 18 divided by 2. 9. So 18 gone, 2 gone, 9 remaining. Next 6. Push. 3. Push. Operator. Power. 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 6. 3 gone, 6 gone, 3 to the power 6 here. I don't know how much it is. Too much. बहुत ज़्यादा. Then 1. Push. Then exponent. 1 to the power 3 to the power 6. Answer is 1. So 1 gone, 3 to the power 6 gone, 1 to the power 3 to the power 6 is 1. Then another 1. Then 2. Oh, sorry, 3. Next is 3. Then push 2. Then next plus 2 plus 3, 5. Gone, gone, 5. Next minus 5 minus 1. 5 gone, 1 gone, 4. Then plus 4 plus 1, 5. Then plus 5 plus 9, 14. Good, Jasmine. Nice. Answer is 14. Use the method which you know and easily you can get the answer. Easily you can get the answer. Understanding? Yes or no? Everybody, can you clarify it if you are understanding this or not? Everybody, please, can you clear that out? That if you are understanding or not? Check. Okay, fine. Should we go next? Let's go next. Do you want any other method in this one? Do you want me to explain this with another method? If that particular method is little bit boring or little bit tough for you, should I go with the other method also? Can I explain, or should I explain? If you want, I can explain that. If you want, I can explain that. Let me take a simple example. Suppose I am having this one. Divide star 6, 3, 2. Right? This. At least this one. From right to left you scan. this multiplication you need to solve first. You solve this multiplication in 6 3. 6 into 3 how much? 6 into 3 how much? 18. So you write this like that way. 2, 18 and divide. 18 divided by 2, 9. Like this way also you can write one by one step down, you can solve. But again, in that, if a small operator or operand will be hidden somewhere here, you may have a mistake. That is on another method. If you want, you can follow that too. Whatever is fine for you, you can go with that. Check. Next question. Singly linked list. Quite fun. This list, this one, what does the above function do on a singly linked list? So you have called the singly linked list with the list pointer. It is checking if list ka link is not equals to null or it is true, then list ka link is false or true. If it is false, false ka negation is true. This particular condition will be true if the list ka link is false, means only single node, then return list. Otherwise return this. What exactly this particular function will do? Let's do that. Let's take a particular list. This. Fine. Now, if suppose you are calling the function with this particular pointer, the list is right now pointing to here. List ka link null, no, then else. Return function with list ka link means next time list will be pointing here. List ka link null, no, then else. Return function call with list ka link means list pointer now next time pointing to this. List ka link null, yes, true, then return list means address of this node will be returned. It returns address of last node. But should I write always? No. If you have empty list, then if you have called this function for empty list, if you have list is equal to null, kya ho jayega? Can you tell me? If you have called the function for the list is equal to null, null ka link you will try to access, which will give you an runtime error, which is null pointer dereferencing. But for empty list, what this function can do? For empty list, what this function can do? Will give you an error null pointer dereferencing. I hope you guys are understanding this point. That the address of the last node for non-empty list. But if we have the empty list, null pointer will be there in the list pointer. Hence, this particular condition, list ka link, list is null, null arrow link will create the null pointer dereferencing. Sure. Another question. Draw the tree for the following parenthesis representation. Parenthesis representation, if you don't know what is that, then it's very simple. You will be having root. In the bracket, the children of root. So child number 1, child number 2, child number 3 separated by comma. If any child having more children, then all those children will be written after this child inside the bracket. Very simple presentation. So first of all, outside entire parenthesis we have A, hence A is root. Yes. Now, what are the children of A? Of course, B, comma, C. C is having these child directly. So C children E, F and X. then comma. So this is entire subtree of C. B comma this comma D. So D should be the child of A. D is having 3 children. Okay, G, H and K, comma this M. M is child or another child of A, which is having 2 children, P and O. This is the tree. Of course, you cannot share the answer with me, but you can tell me that if you are also getting the same tree or not. You can verify if you got the same answers or not. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Another parenthesis representation given. We need to give the tree for that. Great, Bhuvanesh, nice. First of all, root 1. First children leftmost 2. No any child of 2. Then 3. Any child of 3? Yes. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8 and 9. Next child of 1 is 4. No any child of 4? No. Then 5. Then 5 ke children, these many. And after that 6 is also child of 1. Fine. What are the children of 5? Children of 5, so many children. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now children of 6. Okay, let me take it little bit away so that I can draw it properly. Children of 6, first of all 21, then 23 and 34. 34 is having 2 children, 87 and 81. 6 is having children 21, 23, 34 and 35. So this will be the subtree. Just check out if you also got the same tree. Parenthesis representation. Now, one thing for sure, if any question will be having a question, sub question that draw the tree, then of course based on the tree multiple types of questions can be asked. n number of questions पूछा जा सकता है कि इसका हाइट बताओ, what are the nodes on the lowest level बताओ, कितने नंबर ऑफ टोटल मैक्सिमम लेवल्स हैं वो बता दो, नंबर सपोज लेवल नंबर 2 पे कितने नंबर ऑफ नोड्स हैं वो बता दो, आपको 1 के किसी एक सब ट्री में कितने नंबर ऑफ नोड्स है वो बता दो, लेफ्ट मोस्ट सब ट्री में कितनी नोड्स है, राइट मोस्ट सब ट्री में कितनी नोड्स है. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ लीफ नोड्स, नंबर ऑफ इंटरनल नोड्स, नंबर ऑफ नोड्स विच आर हैविंग 3 चिल्ड्रन, 4 चिल्ड्रन, 1 चाइल्ड, 0 चाइल्ड, समथिंग. मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आस्क्ड. सो जो पूछे उसका आंसर दीजिए, नंबर पाइए, खुश हो जाइए. ओहो, सेम क्वेश्चन आ गया ये तो इसको कैंसिल कर दें. Another one. Consider a binary tree which has 60 internal nodes. Fine. With degree 1. Okay. Degree 1 means 1 child. Degree 1 means 1 child. And total 90 leaf nodes. How many nodes? Degree 1, 60. What is the asked question? Total number of nodes in the tree is, total number of nodes in the tree n is equal to total leaf nodes plus total internal nodes. Now leaf nodes are given directly. Leaf nodes given, yes, 90 plus how many total internal nodes we should have. How many total internal nodes we should have? Total internal nodes is equal to total nodes with degree 1 nodes with degree 1 means one child plus those nodes which are having degree 2 means two children. Now total nodes with degree 1 is given, yes, which is 60 plus how many total nodes with degree 2 means how many nodes with two children we can have. We have a very simple formula. Total number of leaf nodes is equal to internal node with two children plus 1. So total number of nodes, this is 89 plus 1 means number of leaf nodes minus 1 will be total number of nodes with degree 2. How much it will be? 89 plus 60, 149. So 149 are the internal nodes. Add this in 90. How much you will be getting? 239. That is your answer. Good. Nice. Amazing. Superb. All those members who are waiting for anything from my end, let me tell you one more time that I am going to start a revision session. Yes, I am going to start a revision session which is called as Roadmap to Master Data Structure. If you have account on Unacademy's site or Unacademy's app, well and good. If not, then create an account. Use a code VDEEP10 so that you can unlock the free content. Okay, I'm not asking you to pay anything. Just use the code to get the free content accessible from Unacademy's site. And Monday onwards, yes, day after tomorrow, Monday onwards, 3 p.m. we will meet on this particular Unacademy's platform live. I will start a revision of the, first of all, we will start with tree data structure and then we will go one by one to cover up all the important parts of your data structure so that you can learn, you can revise, and you can get your short notes too. Lots of stuffs I'll be doing over there. Theory, practice, questions, lots of things will be doing there so that you can have a good revision. 3 p.m. onwards on the Unacademy's platform. We will meet on the Unacademy's platform. 3 p.m. Monday. Okay. Next question. The maximum height of an AVL tree with 10 nodes is? The maximum height of an AVL tree with 10 nodes is what? तो मैक्सिमम हाइट अगर बनाना है विद 10 नोड्स कैसे बनाएंगे? वेरी सिंपल, बना के देख लो. इज दिस पॉसिबल? AVL ट्री विद 10 नोड्स मैक्सिमम हाइट, इज दिस पॉसिबल? नो. Why not? Why? Just because AVL tree is a balanced tree. AVL tree is a balanced tree. Here one information is actually missing. One information is missing, and that is single node height is what? Okay, so I am giving you the note also here. Single node height is equal to 0. Let's say single node height 0. Single node height 0. You try to solve that. Try to draw that. Okay, so let's draw first. Otherwise, you will not understand. Okay, fine. 4 nodes. 5 nodes, 6, 7. If you will increase height here 8, then you will have to increase here 9, you will have to increase here 10, but काम नहीं चलेगा. Why? Just because still here 1 2 3 4 5, here only 2, not possible. So this you cannot increase. With 10 nodes you cannot increase. If you will say नहीं सर हम इसको यहाँ रखेंगे, इस तरीके से कि हाइट इधर 3 हो जाए तो यहां एक और नोड चाहिए. So maximum height is 0, 1, 2, 3. You can have is 3. Yes. You can have maximum height. Answer is 3. For this one, I have actually given you a table if you remember. That initially with height 0 number of nodes 1, with height 1 number of nodes 2, then for next future 0 plus 1 1, height is previously 2 nodes, 2 plus 1 plus 1 4 for okay for 2. For height 3, the minimum number of nodes required is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. For height 4, you need to have 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12 nodes. For height 5, you need to have minimum nodes 12 plus 7, 19 plus 1, 20 nodes. Like this. Correct. Recurrence relation I have given. Which was this: if I want to calculate minimum number of nodes with height h in an AVL tree, it is initially one number of nodes with height h is equal to 0. When height is equal to 1, it is 2. When height greater than 1, then it is n minimum with height h minus 1 plus n minimum with height h minus 2. Previous 2 number of nodes ka AVL tree plus 1 for root. So if we want height 4 का AVL tree, we need minimum 12 nodes. 12 nodes से कम रही तो we can have maximum height is 3. With 10 nodes you can have maximum height 3, which is the answer for this question. Okay, fine, got it. Another question. Hash table. If you have seen this particular load factor along with me, well and good. If not, no problem. Monday in the evening class, we will have this particular hash table ka discussion in the detail. Hash table must maintain maximum load factor 0.72. Load factor is how many keys per slot. Total number of keys on an average number of keys per slot. Maximum number of keys per slot is 0.72. The maximum number of keys allowed in a table with 20 slot is. Among 20 slots, you should have load per slot is 0.72. Means the simple formula of load factor is this. Keys divided by slots, number of keys per slot, so load factor given that 0.72, this is the maximum allowed. Keys are, I don't know, slots 20. What is this? 20 into 0.72, it becomes 14.4 something. 14.4. So maximum number of keys allowed is 14.4. What should I give the answer as? 14 or 15? What should I give the answer as? 14 or 15? If I go with 15, 15 by 20, the load factor becomes 0.75. But allowed maximum load factor is this only. I should go with 14. Not 15, not 15, 14. Why? Just because if you will go with more greater value, then we may have load factor more than that. If this answer will be 14.9 also, then too I will not go with 15. It's not a round off, it's a method to understand. It's just a concept to understand. Got it? Okay, fine. Okay, so This is done. All these questions which I have brought for you, all are done. Still there are so many questions I am having. I will bring same session next weekend also, so that you can have a good particular practice over the questions. New questions you can get, of course, BST, and in the tree you have so many questions to practice. So tree, hashing and graph still remaining. We will have these particular things. We will have these particular thing. Got it? Okay, chaliye. Okay, fine. A query is, what is 1.44 formula? Nothing, Rajesh, it's fine. Nothing. Okay, one special session tomorrow in the evening I am bringing for you, which is this one, a toppers interview. And that particular interview will be of that fellow who is doing his MTech from IIT Kanpur. He'll complete the MTech now in 21, and his package is right now 31 LPA CTC. So he will actually tell you that what last moment tips you can get, so that you will be having an advantage. Okay, so it's the interview on the Sunday. Okay, कहाँ लिखा जाए यहाँ पे, Sunday, tomorrow 10 p.m. Apart from that, tomorrow Sunday itself I am going to have a new session for you, which is 12 p.m. and that particular session is, I will tell you what important topics you have of each subject. So many students say sir ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं हुआ, ये हो गया, ये सब्जेक्ट बचा है. So जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स आपके बचे हुए हैं, अगर कोई भी सब्जेक्ट बचा हुआ है तो उन सब्जेक्ट के कौन से टॉपिक पढ़ने से आपका काम हो जाएगा. So all the subjects, 12 subjects, all the important topics I will tell you, and I will tell you in what sequence you need to study those. Right? So सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का इंपॉर्टेंस मैं आपको यहां पे लेके आऊंगा. वो है ये न्यू topic, all the important topics of all the GATE computer science, so that you can concentrate on those topics more in the end semester, in the end session, and you can of course get more marks. आप ही को पता है, सबको पता है कि गेट में जितना ज्यादा आप concentrate करेंगे important topics पे, जितना ज्यादा आपको detailed knowledge होगा important topics का, उतने ज्यादा questions आप एग्जाम में बना पाएंगे. तो सारे important topics मैं एक एक करके बताऊंगा और साथ ही साथ आपको समझाऊंगा कि क्या किस सीक्वेंस पे उन टॉपिक्स को पढ़ें ताकि लर्निंग अच्छी हो, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आप कवर कर पाए. उसके अलावा ये 10 पीएम दो सेशन है, 12 पीएम 10 पीएम. सो एक दिन में 12 बजे, एक रात में 10 बजे, दोनों सेशंस 1 आवर ईच. बट आपको काफी कुछ अच्छा नया मिलने वाला है दोनों सेशन में. और एक चीज जो मैंने आपको बताया, 3 पीएम ऑनवर्ड्स, कब से? मंडे से 3 पीएम ऑनवर्ड्स, डेली टू डेली वी विल बी हैविंग रिवीजन सेशन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ट्री डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, ओके चलिए. इसके अलावा अगर आप लोग गेट 22-23 को टारगेट कर रहे हो तो उसके लिए हम लोग सब्जेक्ट वाइज स्ट्रेटेजी लेके आने वाले हैं आपके लिए स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 28 दिसंबर. आपको इसके बारे में इस पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप पे एक बहुत बड़ा सा मैसेज मिल जाएगा जिसमें सारी डिटेल और सारी लिंक्स अवेलेबल हैं. आप वहां से एक्सेस कर सकते हो लिंक को. तो हर एक सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट आएगा और आपको बताएगा कि किस सब्जेक्ट को आपको कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है फॉर गेट 22 एंड 23. माय 2 सेशंस आर लाइंड अप इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज. वन इज ऑन 23 दिसंबर एंड वन इज ऑन 25 दिसंबर. ये रहेगा 4 पीएम ऑनवर्ड्स. 4 पीएम ऑनवर्ड्स 23 और 25 दिसंबर को 4 पीएम ऑनवर्ड्स ये सेशन रहेगा, वो भी अनअकैडमी की स्पेशल क्लासेस में एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. यस, एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. तो आप यहां जाएं, आप पता करें कि कैसे सब्जेक्ट वाइज एक सब्जेक्ट को आपको टारगेट करना है और कैसे उस सब्जेक्ट को सीखना है, सो दैट यू कैन लर्न बेस्ट आउट ऑफ योर कोर्स एंड आउट ऑफ योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ठीक है, चलिए. इसके अलावा आपको ये पर्टिकुलर टीम के सारे सेशंस इस पर्टिकुलर चैनल पे मिलेंगे. ऑलरेडी कवर्ड प्लेलिस्ट हैं ये सारी. डिस्क्रीट मैथ पूरा कवर है, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क कवर्ड है, मशीन लर्निंग है, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, सीओए है, थ्योरी ऑफ कंप्यूटेशन है. डिस्क्रीट मैथ का आपको 2 अलग अलग हैं, एक क्रैश कोर्स भी है, एक नॉर्मल भी है. मेरा भी सीओए का क्रैश कोर्स है, नॉर्मल भी है, जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा लेक्चर हैं सीओए के लिए. 53 लेक्चर्स आप देखेंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा लेक्चर्स होते हैं, बट पूरा डिटेल में समझाया हुआ है, आप देखिए जरूर, आपको बहुत 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 कुछ समझ में आएगा उसमें, बहुत कुछ समझ में आएगा उसमें। ठीक है, चलिए ओके। ये टेलीग्राम चैनल अगर आपने ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो कर लो। क्यों? क्योंकि इससे मिलेंगे आपको सारे लेक्चर्स के पीडीएफ प्लस अनाउंसमेंट, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स की लिंक और सब कुछ जो हम टीम में करने वाले हैं आप लोगों के लिए। तो ज्वाइन कर लेना ताकि आप अपडेटेड रहो हमारी टीम के सारे अपडेट्स को लेके। ये जो टीम मैंने यहाँ पे बताई थी इसमें और भी 3 मेंबर्स हैं, वो 3 मेंबर भी आपकी गेट कंप्यूटर साइंस में आपको हेल्प करेंगे। ये पूरी टीम है जो आपके लिए हेल्प करती है आपको आपकी गेट प्रिपरेशन के लिए, और साथ ही साथ ये पूरी टीम मेरे साथ काम करती है और आपको बहुत 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 सपोर्ट करेगी। अगर आप चाहते हैं अनअकैडमी प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना तो आप यूज करो कोड VDEEP10। ठीक है, यहां तो नहीं है बट मैं लिख देता हूं VDEEP10। ये कोड यूज करने से आपको मिलेगा 10% का डिस्काउंट और साथ ही साथ मेरा सपोर्ट, साथ ही साथ मेरी पूरी टीम का सपोर्ट भी अगर आप यूज करते हो VDEEP10 कोड। तो प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन या अनअकैडमी आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने के लिए कोड यूज करना है आपको। ध्यान दें, आपको कोड यूज करना है। ठीक है, चलिए। इफ यू वांट टू बी कनेक्टेड विद अस ऑन फेसबुक, आपको ये वाले पेजेस है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हमारे पास अलग अलग स्ट्रीम्स में भी इंडिया के बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स हैं जो कि यहाँ पे यूट्यूब पे फ्री क्वालिटी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। तो अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं अलग डोमेन में, ईसी इलेक्ट्रिकल आईएन में, तो उन्हें बताएं क्रिएट्रिक्स चैनल के बारे में। अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं गेट मैकेनिकल में तो मैकेनिकल PIXCP चैनल को बताओ। अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं सिविल में तो उन्हें इस चैनल के बारे में बताओ। अभिषेक कुमार सर इज डूइंग रियली ग्रेट जॉब विद हिज चैनल। कंप्यूटर साइंस के लिए आपका अपना चैनल है ये वाला, इसको सब्सक्राइब करके और अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करो। SSC JEE जूनियर इंजीनियरिंग के लिए, जनरल स्टडी के लिए, देन वी हैव द गेट क्वेश्चन सीरीज आल्सो ओवर दिस चैनल। वी हैव इंजीनियरिंग पाठशाला फॉर इंजीनियरिंग कंसेप्ट थ्रू एनिमेशन। ये जो कंप्यूटर साइंस का चैनल है इसके हम सर्विस प्रोवाइडर हैं आपके लिए। यू आर द ओनर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर चैनल। आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ यहाँ आके और इफेक्टिव लर्निंग लेनी है लाइव आके। अगर आप लाइव आएंगे आपको बहुत 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 कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। कीप शेयरिंग दीज लेक्चर्स, प्लेलिस्ट, sessions and this particular channel with all of your friends on your social media, on every single connection you have। अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लो, नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर लो ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिले जब भी हम क्लास लेने आए। कीप लाइकिंग द सेशन whether you are watching the lecture offline or live। happy learning, that's my favorite quote। enjoy the learning, have a nice remaining day। thank you so much, thank you so much for joining here। Soon there will be another session at 2 p.m, so don't go anywhere। stay tuned on this particular lecture or this particular channel itself so that you can watch the next lecture which is on the computer network by our fellow educator Pankaj Mishra। okay, thank you so much for joining here। thank you so much, have a nice remaining day। we will remain in the touch, we will see you soon। bye bye।